and it helps you get your content out to the whole world. All right. My channel is about making money online, affiliate marketing, online marketing, and of course, one of my biggest things is I'm on YouTube. So we're going to talk about YouTube today. Isn't that fun? It's exciting, okay? The hardest thing is to be right here, to get on camera, and everybody's so scared. They're so terrified. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm an expert. Do you know why I'm an expert? Because I did it. Because I stood in front of you. So that's the hardest thing, okay? Get in front of the camera. Okay, equipment. Everybody always talks about is you need all this equipment. You need this fancy stuff. No, you don't. No, you don't. I am filming this right now on my iPhone on purpose, okay? Now, when I first started, you want everything to be perfect. And half the time I don't even mess with it. Okay, but here's an icon, camera. I can use it for recording and to take pictures. And I'll use it a lot whenever I'm like in my front room or this room because of the lighting. Okay, there's two things that I would say is the most important when filming, and it has nothing to do with the equipment. But one is the lighting. Okay, if you have a window, okay, I do photography. The best pictures and the best way to do it is to go outside. So I'm not saying go outside for your video. If you did, those are really cool. But get in front. You want the light in front of you. Okay, so get in front of a window. Get your iPhone, okay, or your camera, and film right there. Okay. So then that way you have the light directly in your face. Right now, I did this on purpose. I have no lighting, okay? I have a little light above me that's in this room, and that is it. That is it, okay? I have this thing for lighting whenever I need it, and I'll put it in front of me, and it even has a little place where you can put your phone if you want as well too. Okay, so it's just a little stand, $35, $40. Okay, so I'm just trying to be me, to be real, so especially beginners does not have a hard time and freak out like I did. Okay, I also have a Mac. It's just a laptop, and it has a little camera at the top. My very first video, all I did is just get on there and I hit record. Okay, it's real easy. And I had a lot of views from that very first video. And I've used it before too. You just set it in my lap, just start recording. Again, the hardest thing is to hit record. Okay, I would say the second most important thing in doing a YouTube video would be the sound. Okay, on purpose, the intro of me, I'm just in front of my phone. I'm just in front of my phone. And you can hear me fine. Okay. Now, right now, I have wireless Bose in. Okay. But you know what? Half the time, I don't use them. I just don't. And they're wireless. You can get something that's a whole lot cheaper that's not Bose. Also, I have one of these where you can just kind of click on your shirt, put this part in your computer or in your phone, and you can use that as well too. I'm glad this happened. This is what I meant by the bad thing that can happen with the sound when you use your phone. I've ordered a long mic to put on my phone or on the camera, just so I know I can hear me. The only bad thing I would say when you are recording on your phone, when I've had this happen, is to me the sound is fine, but sometimes it'll like distort, and Filmora does not fix that. So that's kind of the bad thing. Also, when you're doing your YouTube video, you have your equipment, and then you have you, but you have to tell people what you need them to do. Like, subscribe, okay? Subscribe so you can see a whole lot more of my content. And of course, I would greatly appreciate it. if you get anything out of this video, do me a favor and give me a like, because the algorithm really likes that. And commenting. Commenting helps a bunch. Also, do me a favor and put your YouTube channel down below in the comments so I can check it out too. Okay, now I am on my webcam on my computer. Okay, and I have a very awesome microphone right here. And now I have lighting right here that I showed you that I use my little ring light. Okay, so you can probably see me better now because I have the lighting and I'm not on my cell phone. But your cell phone still works. So if you're just starting off, just use your cell phone. Also, I was going to tell you, sometimes you have to improvise. There was one day that I had to have a video done and my tripod broke, which my Nikon's kind of heavy and I had my long lens on it, so it's heavier. But it was on there and all of a sudden it went poof. So I was like, oh my gosh, it took me forever to try to fix it. It was just broke and it was new. I mean, I hadn't used it that much. So then I ended up borrowing someone else's and I go and get it over to my house and it's broken too. Okay, so what I did is I got ladders. Okay, here's a picture. Okay, and then the camera wouldn't work right. So I ended up just getting my cell phone and putting it on the ladders and use the ladders to finish my video. Okay, up until that day, I wanted everything to be perfect. And I used, my expensive camera and I had to have everything all perfect and everything. But the day that my tripod broke is when I realized, hey, it's actually easier to use my phone. So nowadays, I actually just use my phone more because it's easier and the video quality is pretty good. The only thing is, like I was telling you with the sound, and I already told you how to fix that. Okay? So now you got your video. Okay? You're perfect. You got this because you are a professional. You are an expert because you're the one that got in front of the camera and you did it. Okay? You took action, which is more than majority of people. Okay? So I'm proud of you. That's right. Okay. Now I wanted to show you because then, and this is how you can, record from your screen. Now, I'm going to do a tutorial because this software is called Filmora 9, and I'll put the link down below. I don't even think it's set up for affiliate, but it's just good. And it's like $59 forever. You get, the free upgrades and free everything that comes with it. It's for 59 bucks. And I actually have a Mac, but it's a laptop. And there's some great software for Macs, but then I can't use it on my computer. So with Filmora 9, you can use it on your computer or you can use it on your Mac. And it's 59 bucks. And you can install it on both places. So to me, that's the best, what's that saying? Best buck for your money. And what's cool is, okay, I was just kind of playing around earlier and I got these. It's really easy. Is you just drag them down. Like I said, I'll do a tutorial. I think it's going to be called Filmora 9 Simplified. And you just drag them down and you put it together and you export it and it puts you in the format that you need to put it in on your YouTube video. So it's actually pretty simple and straightforward. Don't worry. I will hold your hand and walk you through it on that video on my YouTube channel. Okay, so that's what you do after you get the video done. And I wanted to point this out because when I first started out, no, please, it's okay, you can make fun of me. I would go and I would watch people's videos, but I would ask them questions. This is, a lot of stuff is how-to and tips and stuff that's on YouTube. And I really did not know how to reach out to people. Okay, so I wanted to give you these tips and throw this in here. You need to, you need to make sure that, okay, you have somewhere where they can reach out to you. Okay, I seen somewhere where they said form a date. Okay, so they can reach out to you and ask you questions or see more about you. Okay, so you need to leave your Facebook or your Instagram account or something like that, or your email address. You can email me at shelly@shellyhopkins.com, or you can go to shellyhopkins.com. There's ways to get to me, okay? So I don't want that to happen to you, that happened to me. So, also, I know this is what I was saying, make fun of me, because I had to go to my nephew, and I did not know how to comment on a video. So, to comment on a video, my nephew had to really explain this to me, and he totally had a good laugh. But if you scroll to the bottom, I'm sorry, I thought I was already in it. This is something good too, because I could edit this out, because I didn't have that pulled up, or I could keep going. A lot of times in something like this, it's better just to keep going. I want to do a video so they can see you're a real person, and stuff like this is okay, it happens. Okay, scroll down. Oh, it's right in front of me. Yeah. Okay. Again, I'm not going to edit that out. Okay. And then you can do your comment here, but it's below. And I didn't know that when I first started. I've always watched YouTube videos, but when I really wanted to talk to someone, I didn't know that. So you can just scroll down. It's under the video, and you can comment there. But also, if you click the Show More button, okay, you can subscribe to my channel here, which is also up there, which, by the way, subscribe to my channel, okay? Okay, I'm blind today. And see, I'm pointing like you can see, Facebook fan page and my profile, so you could reach out, and my email, so you can definitely reach out to me, because that was so aggravating when I really wanted to reach out to someone, and I couldn't. I just couldn't. Also, when you're doing your YouTube videos, I just saw my animal. Okay, I even started out and said, okay guys, there's an animal behind me. If you can, lock your animals up. They say it's better not to have someone else in your video, your person, an animal. In my house, I learned the hard way that if my kid comes in it, then my kid comes in it. If my cat, we have a Chihuahua, in the back there's a little bed. I just roll with it, because then you lock them outside and they end up barking, or your cat's gonna scratch your carpet up when you lock it in the bedroom. So, but if you can, you're supposed to get distractions and everything away. I just wanted to throw that in, even though I don't abide by that rule. Alright? Hey, do me a favor. Put your YouTube channel down below so I can check it out and everybody else can too. Okay? And do me a favor. This is supposed to be pretty simple and easy, but if you liked it and got anything out of it, do me a favor and give me a thumbs up. Oh, that way, yeah. I greatly appreciate it, and so would the algorithm. And if you want to see more of this face, do me a favor and subscribe and ring that bell. Alright guys, until the next video, thanks. This is the best way to film a YouTube video.